English in Global Unity, Bridging International Organizations. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of international organizations. Let's uncover how English plays an indispensable role in communication and collaboration in these global entities. English isn't just a language, it's a tool that unites nations. International organizations are entities that span across countries, promoting cooperation in various areas like health, trade, peace, and more. Some familiar names might be the United Nations, UN, the World Health Organization, WHO, or the International Monetary Fund, IMF. These bodies consist of member countries from all over the world. Given the diverse membership, there needs to be a common language to ensure smooth communication. That's where English comes in as a lingua franca or a bridge language. Why English? The historical expansion of the British Empire, followed by the rise of the United States as a global superpower, positioned English as a dominant global language. In international organizations, it's essential to have a shared language that most members can understand and speak to some degree. English fits that bill. When representatives from different countries come together, they often converse, negotiate, and draft documents in English. This doesn't mean other languages aren't important or used, but English often serves as the common ground. When international organizations launch collaborative projects, English becomes the central medium. For instance, 1. Meetings and conferences. Whether it's a summit or a smaller meeting, English is widely spoken. Interpreters might be present, but the primary discussions are often in English. 2. Document drafting. Reports, guidelines, and resolutions are typically drafted in English first before being translated into other languages. 3. Training and workshops. To ensure wide reach and understanding, many capacity-building sessions are conducted in English. In essence, English ensures that the collaboration is efficient and inclusive, minimizing misunderstandings. The decisions and guidelines from international organizations often trickle down to national levels. When countries implement these guidelines, the original English documents serve as a reference. This underlines the importance of English proficiency not just for international collaboration but also for national implementation and policy making. And there we have it. The next time you hear about an international collaboration or a global summit, you'll appreciate the immense role English plays in bringing nations together. Whether you're aspiring to work in such organizations or just curious, understanding this facet of the English language can be truly enlightening. We hope you found this video insightful. Keep learning, and see you in the next one.